What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. This is what it sounds like before. Right at 103. All right, turn it up. So we'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. All right, guys, we got a fat one in here today. 2000 Ford Excursion 5.4 liter V8 beast. Look at this thing. It is ginormous. It's a 25-foot long lift, and it takes almost all of it. So yeah, I love it. What we got done on it is something ginormous too. Today's the word of the day is ginormous. Huge. True dual system, 2.5 all the way back. So it starts there and there. We cut it and ran 2.5. Then we put 2 high flow cats right there. Then 2.5 section again, then X pipe, true flow X pipe, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. There'll be a link in the description for it. There'll be a link for the high flow cats. Then we put a massive Super 50 FLOWMASTer. Here's the part number on it, 2.5 in, 2.5 out, right there. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, custom bent. Cleared the tank, cleared everything as you guys can see. And then we put some dual angle cut SS tips out the back, black. Part number NT1690 by our good friends at Natami. Look them up online or on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description for these tips too. There they are. Check it out. Came out really clean. You won't see another Excursion like this one with this style of tips and everything. Just really nice, really clean system on each side, as you guys can see there. So we gave it the Exhaust Addicts touch. We really appreciate him bringing it out to us and letting us hook him up. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 2000 Ford Excursion. You guys ready to hear it? That sounds good. That sounds really nice. Sound decibels? 103. Wow. That sounds so good. Love it. 102. Good looking car too. This sounds so mean. Wow. I love it. Sounds really nice on the inside. Let you guys hear on the inside. Enjoy it, guys. As much as we enjoyed working on it, hopefully you'll enjoy it. Beautiful. Be smooth. Enjoy, guys.